Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our diesel gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7 Color Series diesel gauge set for the 98.5 to 02 Dodge Ram with a 5.9 liter Cummins. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI Boost Gauge, a 2400 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge, and a 30 PSI Fuel Pressure Gauge, all featuring a black face with a tinted lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog 60 PSI Boost Gauge with a color change button on the front, a 52mm analog 2400 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm analog fuel pressure gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, a 98.5 to 02 Dodge Ram 5.9 liter Cummins installation guide, a 9-foot nylon boost line with compression fittings, a 3-foot exhaust temperature probe with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature probe harness with a waterproof connector, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, 2 2-foot power harnesses, a fuel pressure sensor, a boost bolt adapter, a banjo bolt snubber valve adapter with crush washers, mounting brackets and hardware, pillar pod mounting hardware, a direct replacement triple pillar gauge pod with a speaker cutout, a 3-gauge power harness kit, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.